Here are 5 reasons why I think everyone should get this little Aputure MC. First off, it's magnetic, which makes it really awesome just to stick anywhere. There'll be times where I'll literally just go around my house and just see what I can stick it to. It's also great because you can stick it above your head and give yourself some good lighting. Reason number 2 is it has RGB, which is basically a fancy way for saying it can do all the colors of the rainbow. So you ever want to get a super gamer looking setup? Just use this little guy. It works great. Reason number 3 is it fits anywhere. Like this can fit in my pocket easily. It's smaller than my phone. For reference, yeah, here's my phone. Here's the Aputure MC. And it easily can fit into bags. The thing that makes it so good is it's like one of the only lights you can actually travel with, which is one of the main reasons why I got it, because I want to travel places. Reason number 4 is it's bright, like really bright for how small it is. Here's what it looks like at 20%, and it's still pretty bright. Now, if I crank it all the way up to 100%, it's way brighter. So yeah, for how small it is, this thing is extremely bright. And last but definitely not least is its great build quality. This thing has extremely great build quality. Like the back is made out of plastic, but the front has like some metal framing, and yeah, you can just kind of, it's very sturdy, it's very dense too, and also it's a great price for what it is. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Link in the description if you want to get it. See you in the next video.